So the OnePlus Open is going to have a delayed launch. It was supposed to come out the 26th of this month, and now it's going to be coming out later than that. Now, this is actually a huge W for Samsung. Now, you might say, is that because of the fact that the OnePlus Open is really the biggest competition to the Galaxy Z Fold 5? No, there's a reason why. The reason why is because that OnePlus has changed their screen supplier. Now, who did they change it to? You guessed it, Samsung. They changed from BOE technology to Samsung for their screen supplier. This is why the phone is being postponed and the release will be changing. Is because, yes, they're now going to be using Samsung screens in the brand new OnePlus foldable phone. Now, we recently saw that Oppo's Find N3 went through the SEC, which of course went ahead and certified it. The flippable version and of course the foldable version went through and been certified. We know it's 100-watt charging, and most likely the OnePlus phone is just going to be a copy and paste of that phone. At first we thought it was the Find N2, but as we hear more and more rumors, it seems like it's going to be the Find N3. Here's the thing. Every time a OnePlus Open gets sold, Samsung's making money, and more money is going toward the foldable phone industry. So the more OnePlus phones that get sold, the more money that's going to be used to go and fund for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Oh, sorry, 6, not 5, the 6. Because, again, keep in mind, if OnePlus Open is widely successful and they're selling millions upon millions and million units, now, don't get me wrong, Samsung's not making the profit margins they're making on the Z Fold 5, but reality-wise, they're getting a cut of that, right? Because if they, let's say, for example, make 2% back on every phone that is sold by OnePlus Open, they're making a lot of money. Now, most likely how this works is it's not exactly like that where they're not making like 2% of every sale. What they're doing here is every single time a phone is bought, that screen came from Samsung. Most likely Samsung is, because they are the supplier, they are probably taking a commission of like the overall sales of the device. So like, for example, if they sell 6 million units, they might take 2% of that, right? So again, they're not taking a percentage of every single phone sold, but they're getting a cutback from being the supplier. Now, obviously, OnePlus is paying them and say, hey, listen, we need this amount of phones, we need this amount of phones created, and so that we can have and sell them. And then Samsung says, okay, here's the price tag of what we want for, giving you that service. So it's kind of cool. It's definitely something interesting that is kind of changing everything, because now we're finding out that Samsung, which again, this is not new, by the way. Samsung is a supplier for a lot of different companies. So this is not like something that like just OnePlus is doing. This is something that a lot of companies go to because Samsung's reliable, and they also apparently, based on what I understand, for the price you're getting the screens for, they're very good price for the reliability. So this is going to even push more narratives of why the OnePlus Open might be a better phone than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Not only because of the price tag, but because now the screen literally is using the competition screen, which is kind of ironically funny. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.